too good with the word, want to take a back check. All I know, if I die, I'm a legend. It's too late for my city, I'm the youngest. Rapping, oh my God, oh my. If I die, I'm a legend, oh my, oh my. If I die, I'm a legend. I'm a first, I'm a two. Got a girl, she from the south, used to work.
Alright, y'all, I don't know. Bro, we done been to 3 places and this sign is in the back of the monkey truck. Not one person honked the god doggone horn, bruh. Nobody, bruh. Nobody. So instead, you feel me? I'm gonna do letting the window down while going through the driver. Letting the window down while going through the car wash, okay? I'm gonna switch seats and go to the driver's side, you feel me? I'm gonna let her know, you feel me, it's for content purposes. So I'm gonna just drive it, you know, on up in there. And I'm gonna let the window down. I don't know, I don't really know how she gonna react. She probably is gonna like snap. I'm not sure.
You was scared, man. He's like, no, you was scared. I'm like, no, you was scared. No, you were.
If not that, I'm gonna do, cause I gotta vacuum her car. So I might do the vacuum prank instead. Y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all click that bell, join the family. You know what I'm saying? Turn the post notifications on, so you know the next time I drop a motherfucking banger, you already know how it is. You already know how I'm coming. Drop them bears in the comments for me. And also, put a green comment. Put a green heart in the comments for me, you feel me? Sincerely, Kentrell, like he said. And you already know, YB is always better. But, yeah, y'all, we about to get to this video. I'm so disappointed in you, Miami. I'm gonna have to do this shit again, bro. But I'm gonna have to do this, like, in a town, like, where it's, like a party town or some shit. Because, like, these people over here, either y'all can't read or, like, maybe I need like a bigger sign. I don't know, but I'm about to get out and take it off. Cause I mean, it's not working anyway. Like, might as well take the shit off before she see it. So I can just go ahead and do it another time. Ooh. Maybe that's what it was. Motherfuckers weren't seeing it. I feel like I see that shit. I see it.
My husband keeps asking to get an old van we can renovate and live in. I'm perfectly happy with my Pacifica. It has a seatbelts for the kids. It's everywhere. Available in the Pacifica.
That's a nice Lexus.
Or just have perfectly designed hidden storage compartments. Hey, I'm a van life dreamer, and I live in the real world. The Chrysler Pacifica. It's the van life for real life. Second row stereo, not available on any of our hybrid models. You probably know Progressive Insurance for insuring your home and auto. You may know Flo and Dr. Rick. But what you may not know is that Progressive helps employees support over 3,800 charitable organizations annually. Because we're committed to helping our employees, and our employees are committed to helping others. Anyway, we just wanted to share. We were a little too proud of it to keep it to ourselves. And if you already knew all of this about us, you've either heard this radio spot with affiliates business.
Yeah, me paying 30. Probably that. Fuck, I don't like,
$30 for
30 something, 37. Yeah, me fucked up.
oh, everything is $39. Yeah, but when you come, is it free?
Yeah, but still, I mean, you damn near have to come like every day to benefit.
Yeah.
Like, no. What you doing? What you doing?
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
What you was doing?
It was something on the floor. I'm gonna throw it away later.
In the car?
Nah, it was on the floor.
Hold on. You recording it yet?
Yeah.
Put it on me.
I mean, never know what happens. Wow, what's wrong? I can't swim.
Yeah, you can, but like, you can't
Like,
with the window. With it? No, I just closed it. That ain't funny, girl. You did that? Oh. I think you did do that. You still doing that? Get your head from out there. Like, girl. You done broke some shit.
that was fun.
Not really. You let my damn window down.
No, but wait. If y'all want a part 2 to this video, y'all make sure y'all get this video to 100 likes. I need 100 likes on this video to drop a part 2. A part 2. Only way I'm gonna go hard is if y'all go hard for me. So y'all make sure y'all like this up. Share this video. Y'all already know what it is. MindingP. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all know next time I drop another video. Y'all already know what it is. So y'all make sure y'all give me the 100 likes. I need that 100 likes to be able to drop that banger. I need that for that part 2. But that part 2, if y'all like more videos like this, y'all drop a comment. Drop a comment right now. Drop a comment right now. I see y'all on the next one.